Hi Aquarius, this is going to be a reading for the new moon in Sagittarius. That's coming up this week on Tuesday. Sagittarius rules the ninth house, which is our belief systems, but it's also about optimism. It also rules Jupiter. So there's an element of luck and blessings and gifts from the universe coming from Jupiter. So let's see what the energy has for you during this new moon in Sagittarius. What guidance and messages do you have for Aquarius? Guidance and messages during the new moon, in Sagittarius. And new moons open up opportunities, while full moons close them out. Or not close out opportunities, but just close out things that no longer serve us. And that's what the new moon and the full moon is really meant to do. So this energy is, I feel it's like rewarding in a way with Jupiter there. And the opposite of Sagittarius is Gemini. So you can look back at Gemini season and see what was kind of happening for you during that time. Okay. So all that glitters, and this is a 16 that reduces to a 7. When I see the all that glitters card, I always think of everything, you know, everything on the surface is not what it seems type of thing. So, I don't know, you may have had a veil about something, or, you know, some sort of unrealistic idea or expectation of something. So, let's see. I'm going to leave it there until we start with the tarot spread. But whatever this is, you know, because 7s tend to be spiritual evolution through, you know, personal experience, which is not always easy. So, but there's some element of positivity with the Sagittarius energy. So that's the good thing about these readings, is that, you know, I mean, all readings are like that. There's always an element of whatever you're going through that is helpful to you evolving spiritually, and is for your best interest, because everything's always working out for our best and highest good. So let's do 2 more. Okay, so the Wheel of Fortune, the 5 of Pentacles, and Judgment. I always see Judgment as a fork in the road, crossroads. You know, you have an opportunity to go in a different direction. But that direction is not always going to be easy. Like I was saying, it's the energy of the 7. And this is a 7 world year right now. So we've all been kind of feeling that energy of having to experience certain things that may be uncomfortable for our spiritual evolution, so that when we get into the 8 next year, we get rewarded for the things that we've been through, you know. There is Wheel of Fortune here. Okay. That's Jupiter energy to me. That's Sagittarius. So I feel like there is an opportunity that is happening for you. It may not be what you want on the surface of it. It may not be the thing that you want. However, it may be in your highest good. Okay. What's the Wheel of Fortune? I feel like there could be some opportunity. Let's see. There could be some opportunity from second chances. Sorry, I'm just saying what's coming to the surface for me. There's something about a second chance. Second chances. This could be in the past. There was an opportunity, or it's like you've fought for a second chance with something. Could be somebody from your past, a past soulmate of some sort. And excuse me, you've had to really understand something on a deeper level with this opportunity from the past or in the past. You fought for this. You keep fighting for this, but there's something that you're realizing, and it's on a deeper level about this situation. Why is the Hermit here? Yeah, you could be feeling very emotional about this, but not revealing it. It's almost like you're holding in some sort of feelings. Yeah, this could be a belief that you have about a person that you feel is a soulmate or is a soulmate to you. The Lovers. I think, yeah, it's like deep down inside, you want something to be, you want to be in love. You want to be, yeah, I'm just getting that. Sorry, I'm picking up like somebody's feelings, okay? And so you keep fighting for it because this is what you want to happen, okay? But that's what I was saying with all that glitters. You could be not, you know, seeing this all the way clear with this moon energy. But you keep fighting for it. What's the Five of Pentacles? It's like you're fighting for it and nothing has really changed. Because the Five of Pentacles is right after. So it's like you started anew, right? You went in a new direction. You started anew. This is something that you really wanted, but it's almost like Eight of Pentacles with the Five of Pentacles. I feel like you're like working at something so hard, but there's no, it's like if this is a money situation, right? You're saving money, you're working long hours, but you can't, or you're trying to save money, you're working long hours, but you can't seem to save any money. It's like that. It's like you're working towards something, you're working on something, but nothing is materializing. I feel like there's somebody that wants this to end. It's like you're putting like maximum effort, and this could be your person if this is not you. It's like you're putting your maximum effort because you have a belief about this person. You know, you have a belief about this person. Why is the Ten of Swords here? Temperance. Yeah, let's see, before I start talking. Page of Wands. Two of Cups. I feel like somebody wants to go in a different direction, and that's why this is not materializing or this is not growing. Because you're doing all that you can, but I feel like somebody wants to go in a different direction. They're kind of just waiting for it to end. They could even, yeah, they could even, yeah, I think they're just waiting for something to end. Why is the Three of Cups here? King of Pentacles. Oh, something flipped over. I'll see it again. There it is. Five of Cups. Let me get one more. I feel like somebody in the situation, this King of Pentacles energy, which is someone who is stable, supportive, very engulfed in the 3D, but very, you know, also financially secure. I feel like there's some type of regret. Like maybe they felt like they sabotaged something in the past. It's like maybe they had their opportunity, and I think that something that they did in the past that they regret, it could be some sort of behavior. It could even be around money. Like maybe they used money, you know, as a way to exert their power or have power over someone else. Or they used their ability to be financially stable and for somebody to be dependent on them, and they regret that. Like maybe it sabotaged, it changed this dynamic and sabotaged this situation. That's what the second chances are for. Yeah. Somebody may have been in one behavior in the past, and now they've been trying to fix that behavior and working overtime to fix that behavior, but it just is not happening. What's the Four of Cups? Why is the Four of Cups here? Yeah, it's just not happening. I think that there's, you know, there's stability in a situation with this four. Fours are about stability, but the love, it's like keeping things stable, staying for the kids, staying for, you know, financial stability, something like that. But there's not a desire for like the romantic part. And it could be because of something in the past. The Chariot. King of Swords and the Queen of Cups. Yeah, I think you want to move forward from this. It's like you're deciding, you're making some sort of decision. If this is an energy that's stuck, you're making some sort of decision to move forward. What's the King of Swords? I feel like you do really love this person. Yeah, Ten of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Eight of Cups. Let me clarify before I explain this, because there's some sort of like new energy. I think that you're beginning to feel like, you know, you want to move on, possibly create a new life, a new foundation for yourself, move on, you know, go find your 9 and 10 of Cups. Yeah. Why is, clarify the Queen of Cups. Clarify the Queen of Cups. Page of Swords, Six of Swords, Seven of Cups. I think what you don't know about this Queen of Cups is that they want to move on too. They want to move on too. And I mean, they could just be waiting on you. Yeah, like I said over here, Page of Wands and the Page of Swords. You could have been with this person for a long time, like from your youth or something like that, but that's what you don't realize. You guys could both be kind of on the same page with that. So let me pull an oracle and see what lessons are attached to this situation for Aquarius. What are the lessons, guidance, or messages that are attached to this situation for Aquarius? Two more. So I guess the positivity in this situation could be that you guys are kind of on the same page with that. And maybe it could be more of an amicable thing, you know, and it's, I would call it like conscious separation or, you know, uncoupling, if you will. Trust. I accept that my inner voice will always guide me correctly. Yeah, I just feel like this is kind of unfolding in a way that hopefully is amicable, if I said that correctly. Okay, so that's what I have for you, Aquarius. Until next time, take care.